After logging into your dashboard, locate the left-hand navigation menu. Click on the Academics drop-down to reveal the full list of options. Click on Manage Medium. In the Create Medium section, type the name of the medium, for example, English UD. Click Submit. Repeat this process to add all the mediums your school uses. Click on Manage section from the Academics menu. Enter the name of the section, for example, Section A, Section B. Repeat to add all necessary sections. Click on Manage Subject. Select the medium for the subject, for example, English. Enter the subject's name, for example, English. Select the subject type, theory or practical. Enter a unique subject code, for example, 001. Click on the background color field to choose a color for the subject's display tile. Upload an image for the subject. Click Submit. Repeat for all subjects. Click on Manage Semester. Enter the name of the semester, for example, winter, summer, closing, parenthesis. Select the start month and end month for the semester. Click Submit. Repeat for all semesters. Click on Manage Shift. Enter the name of the shift, for example, morning, evening. Enter the start time and end time for the shift. Click Submit. Repeat to add all shifts. Add classes. Click on Manage Class. Select the medium for the class e.g., English. Enter the class name, for example, 9. Shift and stream are optional in the section field. Check the box next to the section S you want to include, for example, section a closing parenthesis. Click Submit. Repeat for all classes.